How to download Discovery Plus on LG Smart TV. If you want to download the Discovery Plus application on your LG Smart TV, it's quite simple. First, when you're on the home page, you have to first navigate to your App Store. So here you'll find an option called Apps that you'd be able to find here. Once you find an option called Apps, you will see this type of interface where what you have to do is from the very top right hand side, you'll find a search icon there. You can simply use the search bar to basically search for any applications of your choice. So in this case, we want to search for the Discovery Plus application over here. So we'll simply go ahead and then you can see Discovery Plus Stream What You Love. So I'll just select that from the search result, and right there you can see the Discovery Plus application. You can simply select that. If you've already installed the app, by the way, it will open it up. If you haven't, you'll find the option called install. So you can just hit the install button there to download the Discovery Plus application on your LG Smart TV. This way you'll be able to download the Discovery Plus app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.